Which bike mini pump is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. First up is the Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. This little powerhouse caught my eye not just for its bright orange color, but for its solid price tag of $22.99. If you want a reliable pump that combines portability with smart features, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The L7 offers a maximum pressure of 150 psi and can refill a typical car tire in just 1.5 minutes. It has smart modes for various inflatables, from bikes to basketballs, and even a digital pressure gauge that provides highly accurate readings. With over 15,600 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as expected. Here's the thing though, for most casual riders, the ability to fill up to 8 tires on a single charge is still impressive. If you're mostly cycling around town or going on shorter rides, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, feature-rich pump that can handle various inflatables. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty tires. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the L7's battery life concerns you, the next pick takes a completely different approach with its quick inflation time. Product number 2, Eaton Wolf Mini Bike Pump. Next, we have the Eaton Wolf Mini Bike Pump. Priced at $29.99, this electric pump stood out to me because of its speed. If you're tired of waiting around for your tires to inflate, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow rate of 18 liters per minute, this pump inflates a full road bike tire in under a minute. That's incredibly fast. It also has both presta and schrader valve compatibility, making it versatile for all types of bikes. Plus, it features a built-in digital gauge to prevent overinflation, which is a huge plus for safety and accuracy. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit noisy while inflating. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to noise, this might be annoying. But for those who prioritize speed and efficiency, it's a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a reliable pump that inflates quickly. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter operation. For the price, it certainly packs a punch. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something ultra portable. Product number 3, Kia Mini Bike Pump. Now let's talk about the Kia Mini Bike Pump. At just $19.99, this pump caught my attention due to its lightweight design and high pressure capabilities. If you want portability without sacrificing performance, this could be your go-to. The Kia pump can reach up to 260 psi, which is impressive for a hand pump. It has a unique design that allows for a decent airflow of 44 milliliters per pump, saving you valuable time. It works with presta, schrader, and Woods valves too, so you can inflate anything from bikes to balls with ease. And weighing only 0.33 pounds, you'll hardly notice it in your bag. Some users did find the pumping action a bit stiff, which can be frustrating during prolonged use. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency it offers is well worth the minor effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly pump that's easy to carry on any adventure. Skip this one if you need something that inflates tires rapidly. For the price, it's a smart buy. Now, if you want something that combines speed with durability, our next pick is one to check out. Product number 4, Pro Bike Tool Mini Pump. Coming in next is the Pro Bike Tool Mini Pump, priced at $21.99. This pump is compact and efficient, and it really impressed me with its speed. If you want something reliable that fits easily in your pocket, this one's definitely worth a look. Delivering up to 100 psi, this pump inflates tires about 30% faster than standard models. It's compatible with both presta and schrader valves, which means you can use it for any bike. Plus, it's built with durable materials, so it can withstand the rough conditions of outdoor cycling. However, a few users mentioned that the gauge can be tricky to read. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable inflating your tires and know the pressure you need, it's not a huge issue. The performance makes up for any minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter or racer looking for a dependable mini pump. Skip this one if you have heavy-duty bikes that require a higher PSI. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more versatility, you'll want to check out our final product. Product number 5, Eatonwolf Mini Bike Pump, Vivid Orange. Last but not least, we have another Eatonwolf Mini Bike Pump, but in a vivid orange color. This one is slightly pricier at $31.99, but let me tell you, it's worth considering if you want style alongside performance. Just like its black counterpart, this version can pump up to 150 psi and features an ultra-fast inflation time of under a minute for a standard road bike tire. The LED gauge gives you real-time pressure readings, making it super user-friendly. The lightweight design and portability are ideal for cyclists who are always on the move. On the downside, some users reported the battery life could be improved. But honestly, considering how fast this pump works, it's a trade-off I'd be willing to make, especially for those short on time. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, efficient pump that can handle quick inflation. Skip this one if battery longevity is your top priority. For the extra investment, you're getting a pump that looks and performs great. So, to wrap it up, we've covered 5 solid options. The Astro AI L7 for versatility, the Eatonwolf for speed, the Tiakia for lightweight efficiency, the Pro Bike Tool for reliability, and another Eatonwolf for style. Each has its strengths and some minor issues, but overall, they all cater to different needs. Choose the one that best fits your cycling lifestyle.